HoneHealthcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Telemedicine and wellness subscriptions are booming, but most people get this wrong by focusing only on the monthly fee and not on how much value they'll actually use. That's exactly what to consider with entity brand Hone Health. Hone Health offers membership starting around a per month for basic services up to a per month for premium plans that include physician consultations, lab test access, prescription medications and more. Circ. What you get: convenient health access, often without needing to visit a doctor in person. Some lab tests, shipped medications and tailored treatment plans in higher tiers. What you give up or should check: membership cost plus cost of medications or additional services, so total expense may be higher. If you only occasionally use the service, the cost per use might be high. If you're outside the service's main country, Canada or US, shipping or local compatibility may be an issue. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Choose the tier based on how often you'll use the service. If you use it monthly, higher tier might pay off. Step 2. Estimate total cost including medication, shipping, labs. Step 3. Check reviews. Does the service deliver as promised? Are labs local? Shipping reliable? Step 4. If you use it rarely, consider free or low-cost alternatives: public health clinic, basic teleconsultation. You won't believe what happens next if you sign up for a month and only use one consult. Your cost per consult is extremely high. The surprising truth: the best value comes when you use the service regularly, not just subscribe and forget. In conclusion, if you're committed to consistent use, value, convenience and are comfortable with total cost, Hone Health can be good value. If you're uncertain or think you'll use it rarely, consider more modest options first. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health tech pricing explained and what you're really paying for.